And I'm Strider the Spider. Brrr! It's cold outside today.
It really is. That's because it's fall. You know, I was just outside and I found all of these pretty leaves.
Wow! I see red ones, yellow ones, and green ones. It's like the trees made a rainbow.
They really did. Now, what if I told you that underneath all of these pretty colorful leaves, there's even more hidden colors?
What? Hidden colors? Like a color secret? Oh, tell me, please!
Well, how about we find them with a science experiment?
Yeah!
So we're gonna need a few things to start. First, we need our colorful leaves. So we're gonna do a red leaf, a yellow leaf, and an orange leaf. Then we're going to rip those leaves all up and put them in these clear cups. Next, we're going to pour some rubbing alcohol into them, and we will only use that when an adult is present. And then we're going to use this spoon and we're going to stir it all up. And finally, we're going to put some coffee filters in there and see the colors race to the top. But wait a second, I think I'm missing something.
Don't forget your favorite spider scientist! That's me!
That's right, Dr. Strider! Okay, we're all here. Let's begin. First, we're gonna tear up these colorful leaves into tiny pieces. Can you say rip, rip, rip with me?
Rip, rip, rip! It sounds like crunchy fall confetti.
Okay, now we're going to mash them up with this spoon.
Mash, mash, mash! It's like a science smoothie, but don't drink it.
Okay, now we're going to put these coffee filters in and watch the colors race to the top.
It's going to be a color race. But what should we do while we wait for the race to start?
I know! A dance party! Strider, look! The colors have separated! What do you see?
Wow! That red leaf has red, orange, and yellow colors!
It does! Now what do we see from the yellow leaf?
Well, I see yellow, brown, and even a little green hiding.
Yeah, do you see? That green's right there on top.
Oh, look at that orange leaf! There's orange and yellow on that one!
There are! So you see, little scientists, even if a leaf just looks orange or red, there's other colors hidden inside of them.
So every leaf has a secret rainbow?
It does. You know, there are special scientists called botanists who study leaves. They're the reason we know that there's all kinds of colors.
So botanists are leaf detectives too?
Yeah, but not just leaf detectives. They also study plants, flowers, and trees. We discovered so many colors today!
Yeah, I feel like a leaf detective. Maybe I'll find secret rainbows in my web net.
Oh, Strider, you're so silly. Remember, little scientists, keep on exploring. Nature is full of surprises. Bye-bye. Come on, everybody. Let's learn about botany together.
A botanist studies colorful plants and leaves on trees. A botanist studies colorful plants and leaves on trees. They study how they live and grow, whether it's rain or shine or snow. A botanist studies colorful plants and leaves on trees.
gonna see with their eyes, smell with their nose, hear with their ears, and touch with those. What are they? They're hands. Now what do we see with our eyes? Well, I see something that's red. And what do we smell with our nose? Smells very fresh. Kind of outdoorsy. And what do we hear with our ears? Ooh, a little crunchy. And what do we feel with our hands? Kind of smooth and a little crisp. What is it? It's a leaf. Good job. I had so much fun learning about botany with you today. If you want to go on more scientific adventures with me, please subscribe to the channel. Until next time, always be curious, little botanists. Goodbye.